Okay, dear students, in the previous class, in the lecture number 30 and lecture number 31, we started the chapter number 5 and we studied about the functions, graphs, definition of the functions, how to graph the functions, and we discussed all of these fundamental definitions in a very details. In today's class, lecture number 32, today is lecture number 32, and we are going to talk about the some very important question with respect to GD exam. We will solve these questions. Okay, these are very important. Okay, and I also gave you the assignment of this question, but some students solve the assignment in the wrong way. There are little bit faults in their assignment, so I want to solve this question again for you to correct them and to solve them in correct way. Okay, so first of all, let me show you this first question. Okay, these are very important question. Now we are solving the question related to the chapter number 5, function and graphs. These all question will be related to the function and graphs. So first question is this one. In mathematics, I will suggest you one thing, that please in mathematics always read the question before the solving. Always understand the question. Understanding the question is very important, and read the question very carefully, because it's a very important for you to give the correct solution. Okay, so first of all, uh, the question is we have given a graph. This is the graph of a line which is shown to you. First of all, let me redraw this graph. Okay, how to redraw the graph? First of all, I will draw the y-axis. I told you always, dear students, always the vertical lines will be always the y-axis. The vertical line is always the y-axis. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. What is this? This is called the coordinate plane. Coordinate plane. I told you also in this previous lecture, coordinate plane. This is called the coordinate plane. Okay, now let me draw the graph. What is a graph given to us? The graph is basically a graph of the line. This is the line from here to here. Sorry, let me take this line. Okay, this is the line from here to here. Sorry, let me draw this line. Okay, this is the line. Now, dear students, first of all, let me count the divisions. What is meant by the division? These are the divisions. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3. On the left side, this is left side. Left side always the number will be negative, and on the right side it will be positive. Okay, this is a very important point in the field of function and graphs. Okay, so let me draw the points here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Similarly here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now again, one thing, dear student, it's a very important that I am doing this just for your understanding. It is not important to redraw the graph. I am doing this for your understanding. It is not important for the exam to do like this. Okay, I am just copying this graph. The graph is given. I am just redrawing the graph, and it is not important for the exam. Okay, so I am just like want to understand you. Okay, now let me write here 1, 2, similarly 3, 4. Now it is minus 1, it is minus 2, and it is minus 3, and in the center always there will be a 0. 0 point is here. Okay, now what is the graph given to us? And let me take the black pen and I will draw the graph. Here the line is touching the coordinate plane at this point, and line is touching the coordinate plane at this point. These are the 2 points. Let's talk about these points. These are very important points for us. Okay, these are very important points for us. Okay, let's analyze those points. What is basically these points? These points are, okay, these points are this point, let me minus 1 and 0. This means that here the x is minus 1 and here the y is 0. The x, it is x and it is y. Okay, this is a situation. Here what is it? the x is 0. Because the x is 0, you can easily see that it is very visible to us, that I will also show you below. Okay, and y is the minus 2. Okay, this is x and this is y. Now let me redraw this point on this coordinate plane. Let me redraw this point for you on the coordinate plane, and I will join this point to draw the line. Now dear students, please tell me, where is the point minus 2 and 0? Hmm?
What, teacher?
Where is the point minus 2 0 in on this coordinate plane?
Oh, I couldn't catch your question.
Okay, this is the point we have. Okay, point is always written in this form. This is x and this is
Should we
y.
should
Okay.
we find minus 2 and 0 and
Hmm.
select them?
Yes, on the left side it will lie on the left side, on the right side.
Okay. X minus X minus is the in the wrong side. You can see.
So student, this point lies on the left side. Okay, and the point is basically here. One point is here, and another point we can see that this is a 0 and minus 2. 0 means that x is 0 and minus 2 means y is minus 2. So these are 2 points we have. Now we have to make the line. Which line? This line.
Teacher, the x is minus 1
Yes,
on
yes. Okay, very
the
good. Yes,
graph.
exactly. Yes, thank you for correction. And it is like, okay, very good. Very good. So, dear students, the first point will be here. Okay, and now we have to draw the line. So how can we draw the line? This is very simple. Just pass the line. Okay, sorry. Just pass the line. Okay, from these 2 points. Just pass the line from these 2 points, and we will get the line. Okay, it is very like easy question. Sorry, let me draw the line in a very like good shape. Okay, sorry. So it is good. This is good now. Okay, so this is our line basically. This is our line, and it is like going on in this direction. The line is the line is moving in this direction, and it is growing in this direction. Okay, so what is the question now? Let go back to the question, and now we will solve the question. Go back to the question, please read the question carefully. Okay, which of these points lies on the line? Where are the points? The point given to us are here. These are the points. No, 1 point, second point, third point. Okay, these are 3 points given to us, and they asked us to find which of these points. There are 3 points. Okay, so how can you do that basically? Okay, please, student, let me take the another page and understand too. First of all, what is meant by the question is, I will write with red pen. The question is, what is meant by by if a point what is meant by if a point lies on a line, lies on a line. So it's a very simple question and very easy question. Please, student, just listen to me carefully. So it means that if you have a line, this line, sorry, I will draw the line in good way. We have a line, this line. So if someone asks you that what is that a point lies on the line, so this is the point lies on the line. The point lies on the line is this one. This point is lies on the line. Now this one tell me, this point lies on the line or not? A point. This is point A. Does it lie on the line? Is 1 minus 1. Now let me please check for the 1 and minus 1. Okay. First of all, I am checking for the 1. This is the option number A. Okay. First of all, we will check for the 1 and minus 1. And what will we check? Does this point lies on the line? Which line? The black line. The black line you are watching on the screen. Okay, this is 1 minus 1. This is the point. Okay, does this point lies on the line? So we will check for this. Okay, please. So this point means that here the x is 1 and y is minus 1. Here this is x, okay, and it is y. Okay, so what is x here? X is 1, okay, is 1 here, and y is minus 1. So y is minus 1. So the point comes here. The first point comes out here, which is a. So this point does not lie on the line. Okay, this point doesn't lie on the line because the line is here and the point lies to this side. Okay, 1 is x and minus 1 is y. So I just draw this point and I found it that this point, which is a, does not lie on the line. Okay, now just check for the b. Just check for the b. B point, oh sorry, b point is given to us, and okay, b point is 0 and minus 1. 0 and minus 1. What is x here? X is 0. And what is y here? Y is minus 1. Okay. And now,
Yes.
dear student, please plot this point first of all. How can you plot the point? You know this very in a very good way. It is a very easy thing. Just a very easy thing. Okay. No need to afraid from this. Okay. Please. Now, dear students, where is x is equal to 0? X is equal to 0 is here. And y is minus 1. So this point lies here. This is point number b. So it means that point number b also doesn't lie on the line, does not make the line. Check for the point number c. Point number c is minus 1 and 0. Minus 1 and 0. Now what is this? It is x is minus 1 and y is 0. Just draw the point here, just plot the point here. X is minus 1. Yes, x is minus 1 here, and y is equal to 0. So this point is same that point. Okay, this point is that. Okay, this point is that point. C. C point exactly lies on the line. C. This is the C point. Please student, note my listen to my words carefully. Okay, so we can say that this point lies on the line.
How,
Okay.
teacher?
Mhm.
The letter C. How these are line on the line?
Yes. Okay. Let me tell.
Lies on the line.
Okay, very good. Let me tell you again. So, dear students, day night, please. What is the point C? The point C is minus 1 and 0. Okay, okay or not?
Okay.
Okay. So, let me draw the graph for you again.
X is minus 1
Hmm.
and Y is 0.
It is x and y is 0.
So how
Okay,
they can lies
okay,
on a line?
okay. Let me tell you. Okay. So, so day night, please listen carefully. I am answering your question now. Just, uh, just I am redrawing the graph for you. Okay, this is minus one. This is minus one. This
Okay.
is minus two. Okay, and the line is like this. The line is passing like this from these 2 points. Okay, this was the line.
Yes.
Okay, so please, students, what is this point? This point is basically minus
Minus
one
1.
and zero. Minus one and zero is this point here because here x is 1. Okay,
From minus 1 to the 0.
no, 8 minus 1 and 0. You can say 8 minus 1. This means that the line passes through the point because because we can see that this point lies on the line. Okay, so let us talk about this point. Here in this point, x is also minus 1, y is minus 1. First of all, we will go to our coordinate plane. What is our coordinate plane? This is our coordinate plane, which is which is showing you on the screen. Okay, the two lines perpendicular to each other.
Okay.
First of all, just check the x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 lies here. This is the minus 1. Okay. And y is equal to minus 1 is here. So I will, this is the point for us. This is the point for us. So let me draw it
Yeah.
again. Now we can easily see that line is this. This is the line. Let me also redraw it with the graph pen. Okay. Uh, line is here and point is here, so it is very visible to us, it is very visible to us that this point does not lie on the line. If it lie on the line, if it does lie on the line, it will be here. Okay, but it is not here, it is here. So this point is not the lies, it does not exist on the line, this point, because this line point is far away from the line. Okay, this point is also from
Okay.
away from the line, this line also far away from the line, this point far away from the line, this point far away from the line, this line far away from the point. All these point does not lie on the line. Okay, so the question
Okay.
is which point lie on the lines. I will tell you that, dear student, please, this I will tell you that this point lie on the lines, this point lie on the line, this point lie on the line, this point, this point, this point. So let me also write here for your clarification.
Oh, now
Okay.
I
Yes,
understand,
yes.
teacher.
So let me also make it clear with the color pen. Okay. So this is the point. All the red point does not lie on the line. I will also write here now for your understanding. Okay. All red points. All, sorry. Let me write in clear form. Okay. All red points do not lie on the line, on the line. Okay, now let me take the yellow pen and I will write this, that all the yellow points, all the yellow points, all the yellow points, where is my pen? Okay, all the yellow points lie on the line, lie on the line, lie on the line. This is a very important point for you in this lecture. Okay, so let me draw here some few other yellow points for your clarification. Okay, this is the yellow point, this is the yellow point, this is the yellow point. All these yellow point lies on the line. This is a very important thing. Okay, so spoke my, did you understand the question or not? Spoke my,
Hey, sir, what did you say?
do you understand or not? Now for example, let's take a point which lie on the line. Okay, now I will take, simply take the point which lie on the line is the um point is the, I think, okay, the point which lie on the line is the 1 and 3. We can easily watch this point. Let me, this point is just from ourselves, from just for your understanding. 3, why 3 is here, and this is the, what is this, this is like 1 and 3, 1 and minus 3 lie on the also lie on the line. Okay, so this is the point which lie on the line. Okay, now do you satisfy or not?
Okay. Yeah.
And also if you talk about the question, if you talk about the question, in this question, this point lie on the line. Okay, and where is this point? This point is here basically. Okay, this point is, so it is very clear to us that this point also lies on the line, this point also lies on the line. Okay, so these are the points which lie on the line. Okay, okay, very good. So dear student, let me redraw the line here and we will move to the another question. Okay, now in the assignment, this question was also included. This was the second question of the assignment, and it is also very easy, very good question, and very interesting and easy question. It is also very important for the aspect of exam. Okay. So, dear students, listen to me carefully. These are the just linear function. And in our previous class, the lecture number 31, we learned that how to graph a function, but there was a quadratic function in this lecture, in the previous lecture, sorry. In the previous lecture, the function was the quadratic, okay? So, now in the previous lecture, so this is a very important point for you to remember, and quadratic function are always
Quadrat.
parabolic function. And now we are going to
So
talk about the linear functions, okay?
what,
Hmm?
teacher?
Yes,
Quadratic graphs are always U shape or
yes,
C
yes. They are always U-shape. U-shape. U-shape are also called
shape?
parabolic. Parabolic, okay? So, now into this in this lecture, we are going to solve about linear like function. We have to deal with the linear equations or functions, okay? Let me take the blue pen. So I will just do this quickly because in the previous class we learned in very detail that how to graph a function. First of all, let take the first part. A is equal to 2x plus 3. This is the question. This is the question or a function, you can say, okay. So please listen to me carefully. This is the function given to us. You can also say that f of x is equal to y is equal to 2x plus 3. I told you in previous lecture that first of all assume the points. First of all assume the point like x1, x2, x3, and you will get the, sorry, y is equal to 2x plus 3, okay. Now first of all I told you before, assume the x1, x2 and x3. x1, x2, x3, sorry, let me write here in this form, okay. x2, x3, so x1 is equal to x1 is equal, so please dear student, tell me which point should I assume. To graph function, I always recommend you to take the 5 points or 4 point or 6 point, okay. Now tell me what is x1. It will be our choice to take like any point to graph function. So what will be the x1? Tell me from yourself.
We should say imaginary.
First of all, remember the few points to graph function. First of all, take some points. First of all, take some nodes like x1, x2, x3. So they assume this point from yourself. For example, I will take the x1 is equal to, where is my pointer? Okay, I will take the x1 is equal to -2, x2 is equal to -1, and always take the point for this student. Always take the points in the sequence. These are in the sequence, okay. It is very important that you should not take the point like this, like if you take -2 and you will take the other point -5, you should don't take random. I also writing here, don't take random points. Don't take the random. Don't take randomly, but follow the sequence. Follow sequence. Follow the sequence. And what is the like significance of this? X1 will give you y1, and x2 will give you y2, and x3 will give you y3, and y4 will give you y4. So it's very easy. How can we just find the y1? So it is a very easy question. Please note my point. Please note this question very easy, very carefully. This is the line, okay. Sorry, the y1 will be, just put the x in this. We will put the x in this one by one, and we will get the y1, y2 and y3. So what x1, put x1 here, plus 3. So what is the x1? We have taken the x1 from ourselves. Dear student, please note one point. These are all the nodes. These are all the nodes you can say, and we take these points from ourselves. We just assume these from ourselves. Okay, these are not given to us. Okay, so these are assumed by us. Okay, so 2 into minus 2 plus 3, it is minus 4 plus 3, so I will get the minus 1. Similarly, what will be the y2? It will be 2 into minus 1, because x2 is minus 1. It is written here x2 is minus 1, and it will be like 3 minus 2 is 1. And what will be y3? Y3 will be 2 into 0 plus 3, it will be 3. So I am getting the number by number y1, y2, y3. Similarly, y4, check the y4, it is 1, and plus 3, it is 5. And what is y5? It is 2 into 2 plus 3, it is 7. Okay, now please students, note my point. Okay, what we have done, basically we got the point. We have got the points in this form. Now write the point in this form. Okay, and you will it is easy for you to plot these points. After this, we will plot these points, all these points. Okay, so they are easy. X3, y3. Okay, and there, and again x4, y4, and x5, y5. Okay, now what is x1, y1? We know the x1 is basically x1 is minus 2, and y1 is minus 1. Just write in this form. Okay, x1 is, this implies that minus 2 minus 1. Okay, this first point we have. The second, x2 is minus 1, and what is y is 1. Okay, similarly the third point, x3 is 0, and y3 is 3. I remember this. Okay, y3 is 3. Okay, this is y3 is 3. Okay, now what is x4? X4 is 1. Okay, x4 is 1, and it is 1, and it will be y4 is given to us. Y4 is find y4 is 5. We find the y4 few minutes back. And what is y5? Y5 is the sorry, what is the x5? X5 is the 2. And what is y5? Y5 is the 7. So this is our points. These are our points, and we are going to just graph these points. We are going to graph these points. Okay, how to graph this point? First of all, make the coordinate plane. Made the coordinate plane. Okay, and secondly, draw the divisions. First, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, and 7. Okay, this is the point. This is the point. This is the point. Take this point, minus 2. Here the x is minus 2. X is minus 2, and y is minus 1. Where is the point line? Where the point lie? The point lie here is the, so minus 1, minus 2. The point lie is basically, no, so let me write also here on this line. Now we will just go for the first point. Minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 1 lie there. Sorry. This is our first point. This is our first point. Okay, good. And what is our second point? Minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 and 1 lies here. Sorry. Sorry for this. Minus 1 and 1 lies basically. They are here. Okay. These are here, and after this 0 and 3 lies here, and after this 1 and 5, where x is 1 and y is 5. So it's a very easy question again. Easy thing. Okay, it lies here. Okay, and 2 and 7 again. 2 and 7 lies here, dear students. 2 and 7 lie here. 2 and 7 come down to the 2 or 2. So this is the your points. Now let me highlight these points with the other color for you people to understand you better. Okay, this is the number, this is the point, this is the point, this is the point. These point, what we have done basically, we just plot these points. We just plot these points. Okay, it's a very important for us to plot these points. Okay, now just draw the line, just join this point. Okay, just join this point. And how can they join the point? It's a very easy again. These points are joined by this line, so that your graph will be this line. Okay, this is the graph, this is your question, and this is solved. Okay, this is the graph, and with this rung, with this pink color, these are the like points. These are the points. Okay, sorry, these are the points with pink color. Okay, so these are the points with pink colors. So dear students, what is the step to draw the function? I discussed this in very detail in my previous lecture. Okay, please watch my previous lecture, and you will learn from there that how to graph the function in a very detail. In this question I did it a little bit faster because I have to solve the other question also. So this was the methodology to plot the graph. So what is this? What is this in yellow color? This is the graph. This is the graph in yellow color of this function. The function was given to us, it was this function. Okay, it was this function. Okay, so the student, this was the also you can do this question by the same way, this question also in the same way. Okay, so one thing which is very important to us, which is the c part. Let's toward the c part, let's check the c part, which is y is equals to 3. So the student, please tell me what is the graph for y is equal to 3, and what is mean by y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3, basically a single point. Tell you, dear students, please listen me carefully, that the meaning of y is equal to 3 is, it means that x is 0 and y is 3. It means that this is the point given to us. Okay, it means that basically it means that. And now how to graph this line, I will uh, just this is also a function, and I want to show you that how to graph this. It's again very easy and interesting. Please just note this point. This is 1 2 3, and this is 1 2 3, and this is -1, this is -2, and this is -3. So where is y is equal to 3, which means that 0 and 3, 0 and 3 point lies here, and y is equal to 3 means that it will, the line will be like this. This is your graph, just very simple and easy. This will be, sorry, this will be our graph. This will be is equal to y is equal to 3. This is the graph of y is equals to 3 graph. Okay, so this question can be also solved like this. And also I want to tell you another point. Okay, let me, so the time is also approaching. I want to tell the other things in the next class. Okay, so this is enough for today.